Jim, Randy, and other students sold candy bars to raise money for their school band. If Jim and Randy sold a total of 203 bars, how many of the candy bars did Jim sell? Good question. So we know right off that J plus R equals 203. We have one equation and two variables. If we get another linear equation, we will have enough to solve. Another linear equation that gives us something for J and R anyway. Statement 1 tells us that Randy sold 3/4 as many of the candy bars as Jim did. So R equals 0.75 J. We could substitute that value for R in there. We're trying to solve for J, so we would say then J plus 0.75 J equals 203. And from there we have a single variable, 1.75 J equals 203, divide both sides by 1.75. Whatever that is, that's how many Jim sold. So statement 1 will be sufficient, and we cross off B, C, and E. Statement 2 tells us that Jim sold 11% of the total number of candy bars sold for the band. The mistake that people make when they get this one wrong is that we think that J equals 0.11 of 203. That's 11% of 203. 203 is the total that Jim and Randy sold, not the total that the band sold. We find no evidence whatsoever for what proportion Jim and Randy's contribution is. If they're a two-man band, then okay, maybe, but the problem doesn't say that. So without knowing how many the band sold, statement 2 is completely irrelevant, and we can cross off D and select A.